All right, so the 3080 Super is confirmed. Also, the 3070 Super, the 3060 Super, they're confirmed. And not only are they confirmed, they also have, like a 20 gigabyte version of GDDR6X, whatever that means, honestly. I mean, I don't know what it means yet. I don't have the card in my hand to really kind of like configure what GDR6 and GDR6X kind of is. So I'm gonna wait on some benchmarks and all that other good stuff. But yeah, the Super has been confirmed. There is a 6X version and a regular 6 version. There's also the RTX Super, 3070 Super as well, 16 gigabytes, and then so forth with the RTX 3060 Super, 8 gigabyte version, GDDR6 as well. Now, this has all been confirmed because actually, Aurora's Gigabyte actually on the website, they actually came out with a leak about it, and it had to do with a lot of premium games they want to include with the 3080, so to say. So we found this out. Pretty much, Gigabyte, they leaked it. Thank God to them. Everybody's been going crazy about this whole 3080 release and how no one has been able to get the cards. I think this is a good. I think this is a good example as to why you shouldn't buy cards right from the rip. When they're released, because better cards are going to be released very soon. I'm pretty sure. Now the release date for these cards, I have no idea. I don't know when they're going to be released, but when they are released, they will be a much better card than the regular 3080. So yeah, that it's confirmed. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Of course, I'm personally going to be picking up one of these cards as well. I will be picking up a regular 3080 as soon as they come back on stock. Just because content, right? Content. You purchase something in for an investment, and it can bring you more money. It can bring you more value to what you're trying to do. So, yeah, I will be purchasing a 3080 for sure. But yeah, these 3080 20 gigabyte versions and all this other good stuff. I'm excited to see a super version. I'm surprised they're not calling it a TI. I like the TI name for it. But yeah, the Super is basically a TI. Yeah, pretty much it for the video. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Like, share, let everybody know what's going on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.